Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well. Today's video is a little bit different than normal. I won't be making anything, but I'll just be answering some of your questions that I've received over the past few weeks. So let's get started. First question, is seitan gluten-free? No. It is quite the opposite, in fact. Seitan is almost all gluten. So seitan is basically a clump of wheat protein, and that wheat protein is gluten. So I'll just give a quick demonstration about what seitan is. So if this is the wheat grain, and we can consider that the grain is made of two parts, the carbohydrates and the protein. So when you're making seitan, you're essentially separating the carbohydrates and the protein. And when you're washing it in the water, you're getting rid of the carbohydrates and you're left with the protein. That protein in wheat is called gluten. When you have a clump of this, then that's seitan. So seitan is ideally all gluten. So no, it is not gluten-free. How do I feel when eating seitan? I feel good. I feel great eating seitan. Next question is, what ratio does it yield? About a third. So if you're making seitan from a cup of flour, then you'll get about a third of a cup of seitan. Next question is, how do you make things taste like meat? That's a big question, but just really quickly, purely in terms of flavor wise, there's two things you can do. One is you can add smoky flavors, so things like smoked paprika, chipotle flakes. Next you can add things with more umami, things like miso, soy sauce or tamari. Can you make hummus with other beans? Absolutely, I think so. I personally have never done it, but I'm sure you can. If you do make it, let me know how it is. Do I get enough protein in my diet? Yes. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. So that was the first video of this type that I did, and I was just kind of playing with it. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, click the subscribe button. If you do have any other questions, let me know in the comments below, and we'll get to it next time. Alright everyone, see you next time. Namaste.